Also, you're finance manager for Kumasi City Market, right? For how long are you a finance manager?
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years?
Yeah.
Hey, operations? Also for how many years?
My work marketing over 3 years, but operations manager since last August.
Since last August. Would you take over from when?
It was the first time I appointed.
Munya operations. I see. What functions are they?
So operations manager. If Olona Igano, Nibi, and a Munto, say, Bibi, Nadia Bay would join him. Nadia Besana Tum. Olona was what she say, Gano, a beko kama major before a hot war, or more year Jimo, or more betardia. Maybe beer Cosentino. Becca say, Igano Nakoma. Said there was a cornerba. Along the way, no. Important department which is a finance in HR so you're very key and also go inside that no other managers now manage but maybe then more of the technical
aspect of it,
the security, cleaning, janitorial, health and safety I be so the system net say any concern more hands and the be
okay in time you
me nyandru because of programming but menti bibia ide also so wonya on fa bibia nto wase atoka dete mu ya mo ya so do it na je say
na say ya toka dete wa nyam nam
ka beti masa jaisa ka meti everyone san no be free
ya toka dete wa go bia sa de na ga
beti ti say ya bia jande na je say koyi
adwadifo mita no aba
unim unse finance manager wa ha meters asem na ne me nka bi nti
Adam is on the in charge.
He's the head of the committee on handle.
Oh, okay. Bemana, are you ready for meters now?
Because meters in the Abba.
Don't was saying.
Oh, you're almost by 2,000 meters.
No more per se.
Meters in I say 7,200 and something.
And it's a munya meter.
I was a meter no 2,000 na yenya no afei ne be rolling now tama gadifo no yabo bia de ye wo mu ni se ye bo meter no ema wa ye be yi wa free normal way a ye de che bill no e se be yi wa free system no na say Owusu meter na prepaid meter o consumption no sa no akwakoto e bi na
wa de
na wa use
enti e bada ben.
Oh, meters in the last year, and a buy
December last year. Last year, Breben.
Oh, a brand day per day, need a meeting.
No, but month, Ben.
Month in the no, boy.
No. I'm only giving you. Okay, last year. I there's none will be sharing. Hey, could be who are you? Last year, no one. So many share December 31st.
Oh, the meters no. Fancy last year, somewhere November.
Okay.
No, meters. No.
Fine. So by in the month of November.
And the number of meters now
2,000 they are not just about it. November, December, January, February, or 4 months. I could say, Mabubo.
Yeah, boy, yeah. Say a decable piloting meters near the monitor how the entire system no.
How many of them?
Oh, yeah, bought almost 10 pilot meters. Say single phase or 3 phase.
Okay.
Into your boss meters and how efficient a beboa ejadifo. O he meters na me finance my calculation. Obi answer I di bia born ho. On say Owusu as prepaid. Or those who are system. No checking the bill ever for the month. Any meter no o he bi ni tie dey agusu amane. Any sika dey agusu no I was stored no hu sika dey agusu. I be seen na me no kase sika no nyansa enfiri mu.
I see.
But I'll share your system na the check bills more ba.
Is a utia higher than the on one kasa. So the call for meter no is not misplaced.
Yes.
Now for 4 months more the year is it piloting? Is that the case?
Yes.
What was the operational plan?
The operational plan is
for meter no so e be do be a shop.
Oh say meter no wa wonim say ye sha ase ache. E bi mu na contractual issues how ye be contract how I say market na see na meters ni nim dada. Enti wo be so bo meters na So young people they have the knowledge.
I think we've jumped past
perfect.
That. Because the day was as to the contractors, contractors will be determined the kind of wiring and rewiring. I want to know, said meter and secure. What was the operational plan? Day one, we take delivery of meter.
The operational plan, no, last year December, and could be a meter.
Okay.
Nankanka boy by along the line, no, yenya challenges be KGT akakra. And only the me sure say more to me uncle ba. Your transformer switches somewhere October.
I was aware. Mishia MD Ewo Airport on a Rubin. Yeah, Michelle. I didn't. One of them was traveling outside the country or so. Michelle more airport.
And no, me fan say ama.
So I decided not to comment.
Delays be abamu kakra because transformer switches no 4 nyina na say ye feel ho because say nya problem. Nti ECG for other room and almost so ya sin. E de foforo e free akra eba replace ni ma nti ma ye meter no ye nia na say wo ho no.
Yeah.
E ma ni free wo kakra. Say ya anya sa de so adi meter be bo na nipa ni lighter. E be sa ha adwene kakra. Nti all along the near use genset and so kania e wo dwanim.
Okay.
Nti wo hwe asa challenge we ma meters no e ho asem no e ko from kakra.
This is my software no.
Say they are software we na me adom by 2 weeks time people will see their meters and they will be out from ma meter
by 2 weeks.
By 2 weeks time.
To what's it?
Last week.
Scratch. And then Monday. 2 weeks. Next week Monday a week. Next 2 weeks 2 weeks. People will see their meter and they'll be out. I wire. Also people will see their meter.
That won't say the entire American is say technically.
Because be about better no sheshe boss no ma sorry ako.
No.
Wow boss AMD better coffee buy ye akwen way get me those voices. Obetra sa no keka na no soro ko because obi anya mo wi.
Officer aso we na me so we cap.
No, but I mean you were
boss be promises
about December. Baby otia.
Obeka say December.
Okeka na nsamo no soro ko owie ya wantimi anye. Obi antimi kan na hwe.
So obeka say December na obi anya na meter.
I don't know. One of the guys.
Maka the entire December.
And what but also beka 2 weeks when you have not even shared the meter.
Say maka problem be a year free ho.
Yes, but you have not shared the meter.
Meter ne dey share.
But I know, but my agree how much each everyone is paying in BBI.
I know they yeah.
And I ready for now ready to pay everything.
And now can say how dey hu hia.
Yeah, matter ho. For now sharing everything.
Tra your account say ready for ni bi kra.
Into 2000 dey bebre 8 ya. That is 2000 meters na wo ho.
Ni pay bebre etwa o musika kra gu banga ya dedicate for that.
Meter ba could be a single phase saying.
Single phase in the 2895.
2895. This is about 2900.
Yes.
And double.
Double only 3900.
I see. And they've all agreed in payment.
We have agreed on this.
Why are you in charge of these installations, everything? Contractor been in charge.
My explain how kakra. Oh, say ya salary contractor. I say obo sa meters nyina. Contractor no Tanja na ya salary no say e fa meter no de na ya obe for contractors by we no ya salary e fa meters no de o hwe na experience ne baby a waye bia na say ya de KGT ade e ma no enti Tanja ye company no and ye de meter no amano.
Why not supply meter no mam?
Meter no supply there. On say the me fan say the consultant on the ECG for a part of program na ye ni nyina. Enti say obobo meter so a ba o say meet some standard bia ye require organ ha. Enti meter no supply ne ho nsem ne de me say ECG for technical almost
no, you are the finance minister there. Why in the supply?
Finance manager.
Yes, you are the finance manager. So you are more or less in charge. Until why in the supply meter? ECG or a private institution?
ECG initially no can say
combat supplier be bobia.
momo wa available meters a
anko de ba
bema
eno no de ma mo na
be pacho enye eno a
ti mo so a different meter
there be men ka say ya source different
okay
on say the ECG eye so mo de be ma eno o hwe the KGT a anyhow a ECG consultant me fancy consultant a ECG ya aware with them no and who say technically no sa meters na say program na it me fit into KGT a system a EPC use enti sa company na Tanja no omo specifically meter no so knowledge about the meter into omo in collaboration with ECG and they outsources that meters na
into Tanja and supply meters.
Tanja so a part of it.
No, Tanja and supply meters.
The person me
contract.
Person me contract. There are contract issue. Any ECG
ni contract.
Any ECG ni contract someone supply meter.
Meba. I had done this KGTR discussion for the last week or two. We called OMD. So Bekasa. But he called. We gave him the opportunity. Why I said, Kofi, I want to come to studio. I don't know what happened. So you should have a better understanding and be ready to say all these things. Because there are a lot of illusion about KGTM meter and then nearman komumina. You expect say when you come, I want to clear my mind on Sanyama wing. So if say why the supply meter no na enye ECG for. Now you are not able to confirm say ne bonne ye Tanja for. No man a supplier who supplied the meter. Because you're talking about 7,000 meters. 2,000 a decamba. Are they the same institution that supply all the 7,000? Not all my bebo, because we'll be supply no be bar. At the end of the day, there are a lot of challenges. I'm not without any prejudice. I just want to know why in the supply. It's not ECG. For now, we are clear.
ECG technically
Tanja and a supply. Thank you. Into Tanja and a supply. I take that as an answer. No. Into a supply.
In fact, contract will be apart from Tanja.
So Tanja and the supply meters. Thank you. Because as I was a woman, yes, almost supply, and I'm getting confused.
Oh, because of contract issues, I said in the
so they supply your meters. Yes.
Into
a body they why establish it. Say omo na ebe bo amam. Okay.
Supply installation.
Supply and
installation.
Perfect.
So this morning, what you're telling us is that Tanja as the institutional airborne woman a supply.
Sir.
The 2,000 and the rest of the 5,000
yes, that's all man.
Thank you. We are clear with that. So now on record, Tanja and a supply meters.
Yes.
Fantastic. And in this process, no, ROA ECG player then.
ECG.
Yes.
Who's a fan say meter be ba. When I can say standards be or a call ECG no mutimi.
They supervise.
I saw supervise
check up the authenticity
of calibration.
It's
unity, the power consumption. A bit me a function.
Into my yes, Tanja was about 4 companies.
Yes.
Meaning say two. We had 2 already. Na amoma henenum time or mu and ECG back and forth. And now you be so you had 4 institutions. Omoko tender and a Tanja a winnie, and I say was a sole sourcing.
No, it wasn't sole sourcing.
A tender.
A tender.
And a Tanja winnie.
Yes.
Out of how many institutions? 4.
4.
Oh, okay. That's great. I see. So omo yesa we ni nyina nyame ya adomo the installation is starting when? Am I 2 weeks? So have they started?
Because I piloting.
Yes, piloting
it means the process we are in it.
Yeah, in it.
Perfect.
Until within the 2 weeks, normally the installation abo meters.
The entire me person me chemu kakra. Yeah, yes, meters 2,000 until I shall say airborne.
Okay.
We say recover sika. Ya di jumadi. Owusu nim say sika no so. Jadi for no so aware say so twa sika no. Until the process and say ebi mo twe omo twe omo de no omo they will get their meters near you omo free your system nim.
Okay.
Enti
subsequent no on the already or
uchia
okay
na ya ba bo obita
but uchia ne ye already arrears out the and the cost of the meter
the cost of the meter
okay uchia
okay and you know my arrangement as to amount of money can chia there's a first payment 50%.
Okay,
then you have the other 2 months and you have 25 to complete payment. Enti ye say meters na bonti e de kobobo ho in a rush.
Okay.
Process say come and pay what we have agreed, then we install your meter for you.
And for now, out of the 2,000 and more and taking the 10 out, how many markets and traders and I meet the standard in the next 2 weeks?
So numbers in there for now no me sure say me nyanya the actual numbers
but say no mutwe scan ma
omuntwa no direct to me omutwa ko bank
but you are the accounts officer
so you have the officer no say ye reconciliation say ye nyambo ye
so omutwa the receipt bro
say ye nyambo ye nka ade a ye bo a anka ye hu omo a oye ready say kobo mo ke ye bo
anka so mbere makwakobo
in America say 2 weeks time no we know people e be bank statement to do a
2 weeks time amokwakobo na 2 weeks time no agbo because
no,
you just said it's a
2 weeks time na kwakobo
oh okay
say 2 weeks time na abo
and 2 weeks time
na you started 2 weeks time na enye say in a rush
no I understand the intremi say the what we meet the conditions the wait now say 2 weeks time could be am bobo 10 yeah 2 weeks time bobo 20 I do agree. Traders unions are all in no mo are aligned in this arrangement.
I'm say bibia fa meter no ho there yeah public knowledge yeah consultation a lot dey bia djuma dey bia ye difa ho bia no yeah engage a lot of people for them to be aware because sikasem no only the pa nyanti ase a ni twia no ebe ye den ntinti ase dey traders union obi a onye trader union kra no ya forum or market for almost 2 consecutive time I say obi anya no honte ase and the benefit of the meter so so brave for everybody to know say onya meter you'll be free from that hustle.
No, I believe say the traders are not worried about getting meter because I'm going to call it for
perfect
the importance of say every trader enya ni meter no it's not a question here. And the all nyina atase and I push mu akra fe na mbobo. Already farm war kijitia ubia utie 0244718161. A voice note or the beba. You want to share with us whatever concerns. Now why a part of the discussion 0244718161. With me the voice note about why a part of the discussion. What are the major challenges as you see amu e will meet you?
Me find say major challenge pa. Me dem say a challenge but who say a challenge.
Okay.
Challenge ne say who say ye hwe kwan a e bo meter na e be nyesika.
Meaning what?
Meaning say e bo meter na you shall say people should be ready.
No, na so one to ya more.
In America, no a challenge, no. And Casadia no case, you shall say we expect say a lot of people will come and do the payment.
And I mean, this year you are not able to tell me from November up to date how many people have paid to be meted.
Unse at some now can say challenge Ben America.
Yes.
And the challenge a woman expecting to say a basin say yeah bomita na sha say ba. Unse 2,000 meters. Me not sure say nipa 2,000 no much of Sukako bank. Yeah sha say bomita na e be a first 100 na omotua no de.
Okay.
Yeah bet me a bonus so easy.
Yeah.
But in future no yeah expect say nipa as a bono. They will also pay to make the arrangement, now fast.
And I'm also on interest because of scanning to interest a free one.
No interest in the deal. Nina say ye pese ye shase a ana ye behu se nipa bi interest afiri mu ana se afiri mu
okay
because ye nya shase kure bi ma shase atwe musika it means that the interest is there and the interest ni nyina ye benefit nipa no e benefit ohu se emfaso a ewo meter nim se de ye wo kan no ye bo meter na o emfaso wo enti ne benefit na ho na ewo enti ho nso na ohwehwe se obenya na ne ho aha no efa bills a ewo dwani
deviate kakra from the core discussion. The last time I MD Betran ha no say as at October November na mubeyi nsuo a supply hono every Ghana water mo ankasa motu mo boreholes near that. Is that what is working now?
yes
This
say we are not on Ghana water.
Money Ghana water
Borehole erade it me 4,000 liters a day.
400,000 liters a day. Okay, that's great. Now me person me clear is that because he was very emphatic say at the time cry now me the kasana they were testing the pump until now believing say everything.
2 months we are not on Ghana water.
You are not on Ghana water.
Yes.
Until I reduce more water bill.
Say water bill. I reduce your water bills I say.
No bill a womutua no.
Say bill baby.
No, but say they you use
no the bill I be call I won't say
we use power and I'm they generating.
And water no so you say treating no.
Exactly.
So there are treatment cost to be
okay.
Kabante say bill about Ghana water bill about almost 200,000.
Now let's go back to electricity no. As we speak, motia mo car na mo de ECG wi.
ECG card there. Intimate training
mo de ka sense ya.
Me bag and say ya de car almost 6.5
billion old cedis.
No,
Ana
million
Ghana cedis.
Yes. Ghana cedi.
Million
Ghana cedi. Now you once who
60 billion. Yeah.
ECG on your bill eba general bill eba almost 906,000. Ya koye almost 1 million.
1 million Ghana cedis. Yeah.
Enti sikana eba no a month no e sika sunye.
Yeah.
And I say o che o fan say me che 1 million general bill. And then Monday ni e be che no dwani. Me check to recover that amount of 900 and something thousand plus other costs. All new year man we ready for. And yeah, dear, say you dey bill the man instant no be
now
yeah I am managing
a delay. Now yen hwe me wo bojo afo I wo tabletop e wo open space a wo ni shops e wo ho. Drivers e wo down ho nyina no. Omo no so omo de omo nyusu meters ni bi.
Me patcho omo nyusu bi.
How would their billing be?
Say the billing no or fancy car driver for and as for almost offices.
Okay.
Almost recognized office there.
Okay.
Pay bill as will be a workshopper on a suture bill. The offices and normally be a gadget be or be no. They are factored in our bill system the bill no. It's in the way. And yes, I will be who drive any back report the car.
No, now will man a bill, I know.
Perfect, but
the union,
yes,
you give it to them. No one who quite on Befas on Betcha.
And
to Boja for a war open market warning now.
As I say, I introduce you be a friend of ticket system. Hawking a G ticket from
Hawkers normal almost
okay, say Omono, we are due almost daily hawking ticket.
Okay,
I find say, and no. No, a Jumadi be near Didi. Yasha say and Fendi.
Okay.
And the same because the transformer switches in the say, you know. Sika, I say the Kotosa transformer switch in a swing. And ya Pesica baby, and the ato. And it's a quite band, so you ain't even fast, sir. Canon sample before she said, Omon in Chia.
Okay.
Sarcano.
Portable. I can't 87.9
to gather money and pay the switches now the quarter free ECG.
The last time I checked, more operational mandate by law and in principle, you are not supposed to allow hawkers to collect money from them. More to me, I take care of that clause. I was the mandate I work KGTN.
We've been allow with the oko to my America. Oh, the Lord, your kinds of oko too.
the bylaws and the policy. No, get it. Not the policy guide the operations of KGTR market. No, I'm go to parliament. Parliament in Shishaya through the local government system now. Ma adwadifuo di dwa e wo ho no eni kwan se moje offer ne say hawkers you take it, you can confer with general manager. I'm saying that for a fact.
But bibia no you say contingencies BTB eba.
Okay.
Fan say market in the close a embo bia. I heard the interest of market traders or the entire community. Intimi nkoka say yes transformer switches are set.
Okay.
You physical 87.9 close market na omonda sumu.
Okay.
On say no matter how the law no over the interest na so fa kwan bi so na timi market na rane. Market na so boy economy no. You to market in a day. Nipa ejedi a amanfo di a day. Ohwe nipa 50,000 a bora marketing almost every day.
Okay.
Look at the transactions ebe mix it. And for public interest, say yetimi ye bibia ebetimi aboaye na yetimi ama market no around here. I hope say enye the bonus.
The last time I'm in ECG, regional manager, Edin Komo, this is what he has to tell me about more areas.
As we speak now, 2.1 million Ghana cedis. 2.1 million Ghana cedis. Over a period of 6 months. And as I can have it down. 2.1.
2.1.
Yes. Coffee.
For how many months?
6 months.
Akoma FM.
Oh, this year was a 10th month. Up to month of April. No? Just that can be number 9. April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Until October became one. Now 7 months. Not just a Sankos Rubio. Enti Kofi, I'm on America Krebi. You heard me, America Krebi. Na I'm say Penfobi. I say new mayor.
Yeah. It obviously has a moment of time, not stabilizing.
Time KCML.
So this was almost about 3 years ago, and now more free 2.1 million about do 6 point something. And the mutia na ekosoro. Sanga minimse ka mutia ba form. Ba mo kwa de mutia ekosoro.
So consumption bill for a month no. Then time now can na you almost 200,000.
Okay.
A month.
Is almost 900,000.
You almost 1 million Ghana cedis. January bill by
87.9 Kumasi.
To take 9 billion. Until you hear then time na our kind na and net 1 month bill I chairman ECG to meet you as I can.
Okay.
Said the American right here. Until for a time being the power tariff ne normal SEC or Ghana no ama the consumption cost the cost. Until you hear say a journal electricity bill 1 million. Other costs be kahwa. Na osa de force we ko Jesus kana. Mo na mo beba say the budget the full ko mudodo.
I see.
No maybe o ha say be no ran na say de be ya obi a ho beto no. Na yes apa na e ka say ye ko fu vim say ye pese recover sika ni nyina. Say be ma dwadie nso enkoso.
Absavo se bia fe na do afide na to ha ye ne the managers of KGTR City Kumasi City Market and Edin Komo. We haven't open discussion, everything about on meter and everything about how you see I'm ready for 80 and pay almost some sabekan warm meters and everything. And the finance officer as well as the operations and the welfare. My name mo MD Ora Kufido 4 Ekasai. Kufido 4 told me this. That was December 2023. Mr. Do for timeline. That buying a KGTR meters be ready to each shop.
Men fan say any event. So we meters are 7,300 shops. Won't mean in a month. No matter resources how they call on. They be take time. They buy a home by the end of this year.
By the end of 2023,
including separation of meter.